Check out our 2022 Ford Maverick XLT with all-wheel drive, a tough yet stylish truck made for adventure. At Canada's huggable car dealer, we're excited to offer not just the factory warranty, but also our 12-month huggable guarantee. This truck has a strong engine, the latest tech, and is great for work and fun. Enjoy wide views with the sunroof. Backing up is a breeze with the rear camera, and tow easily with the tow package. The alloys with new tires make it look sleek and tough. Our commitment goes beyond the features. At Jim Gilberts Wheels and Deals, we make buying a truck easy. Full financing with zero down and trade-ins wanted. Drop by for a test ride. Our team can't wait to meet you and help you find your perfect truck.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship.